Hello, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that's a staple for any kitchen enthusiast and gardener alike, the Duganski Hardneck Garlic. Widely regarded as one of the best varieties of hardneck garlic, this heirloom product is a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their culinary creations. Now, let's talk about what makes the Duganski garlic truly special. Hardneck garlic is known for its rich, robust flavor, and Duganski is no exception. This variety hails from the rich soils of the Midwest and is characterized by its large, easily separable cloves. Each bulb typically contains around 6 to 8 cloves, making it perfect for those who love to cook with garlic. Whether you're roasting it for a buttery garlic spread, tossing it in a stir-fry, or using it to enhance your marinades, Duganski garlic brings a delightful depth of flavor that can't be matched. Its spicy notes mellow beautifully when cooked, giving dishes a savory richness that is simply irresistible. For those of you interested in gardening, planting your own Duganski garlic is a rewarding experience. This heirloom variety thrives in well-drained soil with plenty of sun, making it ideal for home gardeners. You can plant the bulbs in the fall for a summer harvest, and with just a little care, you'll be rewarded with a bountiful crop. One of the things we love about the Duganski garlic is its impressive storage life. When stored properly in a cool, dark place, these bulbs can last for several months, allowing you to enjoy that fresh garlic flavor long after your purchase. But let's not just focus on the growing process. The culinary possibilities with Duganski garlic are endless. Imagine adding minced garlic to your favorite pasta dishes, or using roasted cloves in your homemade salad dressings. You could even infuse olive oil with this garlic for a deliciously aromatic addition to your bread dips. If you're excited to add this versatile ingredient to your kitchen arsenal, purchasing the Duganski Hardneck Garlic is a straightforward process. Typically sold in packs of 3 bulbs, this product is perfect for both individual use and for sharing with fellow culinary aficionados. In conclusion, whether you're an aspiring chef or a seasoned home cook, Duganski Hardneck Garlic is a fantastic addition to your kitchen. It's not just about the flavor. It's about embracing the joy of cooking with high-quality, heirloom ingredients. So, if you're ready to take your cooking to the next level, consider giving this exceptional garlic a try. Thank you for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing product reviews and culinary insights. Until next time, happy cooking!